park with blue star stickers. And it's with stickers. Toy shop. And coming. Flats. Lumberyard. Park. 40 people. Train. Cool activity park. No, we're gonna make a fidget item. Alright. So let me run you through the basics. So what I want you to see is that I have this fidget spinner spinning top. Well, it's a real Lego thing, so just get it. It's very old, and you can see it actually spins. Yeah. Also, if you spin hard. So we're going to be using some items to make a Lego fidget spinner. And yes, all my Lego creations that we have built are going to go to the top over here so you can remember them. Alright, let's get into this. Alright, so the basic easy materials we will need is this. First, we need one of these eyeballs. Yeah, the chicken, sorry, chicken's doing me well. We're going to add one of these. And then we can always come back for more, but we can also get one of these. So let's see how, nope, got that, one of these. And let's see how this is gonna look. Right, we have these items over here to build with. Let's start. So, what I'm actually kind of thinking is that, like this. Okay. No, that won't work. That won't work. That won't work. Okay. Let's try something like more simple. Let's try something more simple. Add this red plate over here with the eyeball. But now, let's see if it's good. So give me a sec. Yeah. Yep, it still spins pretty well. Looking great. Looking pretty great. Alright, this is actually looking pretty good, I must say. We're going to make not one, but two more Lego fidget stuff. So let's get into this. So I'm going to have this one first. This one is going to be placed over here. Our memorial creation. That looks like a Roblox carrier when you look at it. So let's go back to the box. Now I understand I accidentally took some stuff. Let's go back to the box. Alright. So our next one, we're going to want to have like some cool fidget to it. So this, I'm just grabbing random blocks. So to the studio table. Alright, see how we can work with it. So I'm thinking to grab one of these over there, that side, that over there, and this could go over there. So these can actually control them like that, but that's not it. We're not done yet. No. We're not. That's not done with this. Nope. But actually, that's maybe it's kind of satisfying. If you were here, it's kind of satisfying. Add one of those to make it look kind of cool. And a blue here. And back to the box. I'm sorry, I need to just destroy this very kind thing. Let me give you a sec. Oh. Thank you very much. Alright, we're back. I need to disconnect it. See you in a sec. Connect. Thank you very much. Alright, we have this monstrosity. Now, you guessed it. Thank you very much. We have this cool siren that we're gonna very much. You guessed it. Put in a glass. Okay, I don't think you guessed that, but you must something. And then leave this, and you can perfect calling alarm. But I'm not done just yet. And this here, I have a calling alarm. Great. That also uses as. Look at our two creations lined up so far. Looking good. Alright. The final one for the video. The one you've been waiting for. The only thing that I'm going to do with a fence. Let's look. Let's see. So, grab that. Grab, you can't see anything. It's top secret. Ow. Come on. Ew. Alright, we got it. Alright, time to make a beautiful little scenery for our next fidget. So what we want to do is we're going to put this here. So you can move the fence like, you want to put it like this. That was my first idea. This is my second. You're going to put it like this. And then you're going to put it like this. And you're going to put like this to have like a bush. This, like a bigger bush. Now here comes the fidget part. That, but you guessed it. Oh, no, I don't think so. But just give me a sec. Sorry, that took so long. Yeah, so now these can move. And that's to make a perfect fidget like this. Alright, thank you for watching. Subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next video.